Just a minute. Slowly here. So guys, we do another one. Twist and turn. 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 Guys, here's what I'll be doing. Guys, in case the hair refuses to stay, you can actually use a rubber band to like you. You can actually use a rubber band to like secure it. So, just upwards. Use any rubber band of your choice. I'm using this rubber band. And it's a bit better. So definitely need to stay. So guys, I don't need this side, I don't need left inside, so we're going to repeat what we did here and here. I'll just show you what to do and I'll show you the final look of the thing. You bend, you take this as a threshold, you bend it up, twist and turn, twist and turn downwards, twist and turn, 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 and now you just upwards, twist and turn, twist on its side, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, and as it happens, let me show you what comes. So repeat this, and it will run, twist and turn downwards, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. Then you twist upwards, so you get a bit of the hair, twist upwards. Then you secure it with a rubber band. Because this one is not very thick, so it will not stay. So you secure it with a rubber band. That's it, guys. And that's very much. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. So I'll show you two or three styles. Then so guys, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Hope you guys like the video and start liking it. Don't like my videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell guys always get notified anything after the video. Also share my video and comment down below if you're going to be trying this, and I'll see you in my next one.